ọmọ Oòduà o.
àwa má ṣe mú ọ̀rọ̀ là ń bẹ Yorùbá ń ṣera wọn nítorí owó Yorùbá ń jìra wọn lẹ́sẹ̀ nítorí ipò ọgbẹ́ni Fálàdé wọ́n gbárí kẹ́lẹ́bí wọ́n kò lè kó wájà wọ́n tún polóko wá mú ọgbọ́n tí wọ́n gbọ́ ló gbé wọn délé ọlá ọgbọ́n náà ló tún padà wá sílé wọn mọ́lẹ̀ o àwọn tí wọ́n ti ń ṣọ̀gá lọ́jọ́ tó ti pẹ́ tún padà wá dẹni à ń fọwọ́ ti sẹ́yìn o.
lágbára Ọlọ́run ọba Olódùmarè ní ìgbà kan tí a àti ìgbọ́n tí ọkàn wa ò tí ì jọ papọ̀ onírú ẹ̀ ṣe pọ́síbù àwa tá a jọ̀gá tẹ́lẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe sọ wá dẹrú tí wọ́n ṣe ń tì wá kiri àmọ́ nísìnyí ẹ̀mí Yorùbá ti ń papọ̀ báyìí ojú oníkálùkù ti là oníkálùkù ti ríbi tí Fúlàní ń lọ lágbára Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè a fẹ́ gba ipò wa padà ná mò ń padà bọ̀.
Yorùbá yoyoyo bí iná alẹ́ Yorùbá rúrúrú bí omi òkun Yorùbá bàbá ni bàbá ń ṣe Yorùbá ronú o.
ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé Yorùbá ní tí ọmọ ò bá gbátàn á bá àrọ́bá àrọ́bá sì rèé bàbá àtàn ni ìtàn ti fi yé wa pé àsìkò ní o fún Yorùbá láti tètè ya dìde ká tètè ya pakítí mọ́ra ká gba ẹ̀tọ́ wa padà torí pé tá a bá ṣọ́ra tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́yìn tá a ń sọ̀tàn rẹ̀ náà ni ó tún padà ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Yorùbá àmọ́ odò dì kò tún ṣẹlẹ̀ mọ́ láéláé mò ń bọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí i.
Yorùbá sọra wọn di bọ́ọ̀lù fáráyé gbá.
Báwọn sókè wá tún báwọn sísàlẹ̀ o. Ẹ̀yà tí ó ti kéré tẹ́lẹ̀ ni wọ́n gé kúrú. Àwọn tí àìfẹ́ ló sì ti dẹni àtijọ́ Yorùbá jókòó sílẹ̀ rẹ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ wọn fọwọ́ lọ́wọ́.
lágbára Ọlọ́run Yorùbá ò jókòó sílẹ̀ tẹ̀tẹ̀rẹ̀ mọ́ o. àwọn àgbààgbà Yorùbá ti gbóhùn sókè ọmọdé Yorùbá náà sọ pé kùbí tí Fúlàní ó gbà. ayé ìgbà kan ni ká jókòó tẹ̀tẹ̀rẹ̀ àmọ́ nísìnyí oníkálùkù tó ń tòrùgbé wọ́n ti jí wa nílẹ̀ pé àsìkò tó kóníkálùkù kó pakítí mọ́ra ká gba ẹ̀tọ́ wa kúrò lọ́wọ́ Fúlàní agbénipa tó mo kí onílé mo kálejò mo kí lọ́kùnrin mo kí lóbìnrin mo kí gbogbo ọ̀tọ̀kùlúùlú mo kí ládéládé mo kí lóyèlóyè mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọba tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń ro dáadáa lulẹ̀ Yorùbá mo ṣí fìlà fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin orí adé pátá ní agbára Ọlọ́run ọba Elédùmarè ẹ fọwọ́ páwú ẹ fòrì gìjòbì lágbára Elédùmarè ọba ògo adé apẹ́ lórí yín o bàtà apẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ èjìgbà lẹ̀kẹ̀ yóò pẹ́ lọ́rùn ẹ̀sìn ọba òjòkú pẹ́ àwọn olórí wọn á ṣiṣẹ́ ìbí fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọba tẹ́ ẹ nífẹ̀ẹ́ Yorùbá tó jẹ́ pé n tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí ẹ̀yin náà ń gbóhùn sókè àti ìtí ò lè yọjú tó ń ṣe lábẹ́lẹ̀ àti ìtó yọjú gbogbo yín ni mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá kárí ayé gbogbo yín ni mo kí kú déédé àsìkò yìí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí nílùú Nàìjíríà ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí káàkiri Áfíríkà àtẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí káàkiri the whole world gbogbo yín ni mo kí o mo tún kí yín káàbọ̀ sórí ètò wa náà ní ètò Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ látòrí ìkànnì Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ TV lórí YouTube tẹ̀tí wò yìí kí n tó máa lọ déètì èní tẹ́ ní kí n máa sọ fídíò tẹ́ fẹ́ wò yìí ni fídíò tá a ṣe ní èní Thursday ọjọ́ Àlàmísì June 15, 2021 today is Thursday 15th of June today is Thursday 15th of July 15th of July 2021 èní ni ọjọ́ Àlàmísì ọjọ́ kẹẹ̀ẹ́dógún oṣù July ọdún 2021 tó ní agbára Olódùmarè ọba òkè a máa túkọ̀ tètò yìí ní báyìí ṣùgbọ́n ká tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ mo fẹ́ rọ̀ yín ẹ̀yin tí ẹ̀ ń bá mi wo fídíò yìí ẹlòmíì tí ń wá tipẹ́ á kàn wo fídíò á kàn lọ́ntì ẹ̀ ó lè like ó lè lóhùn like ẹ̀ ó lè kọ́mẹ́ǹtì síbẹ̀ kó dẹ̀ máa lọ ìwọ ṣe darapọ̀ mọ́ wa permanently bó ló ti darapọ̀ mọ́ wa permanently òun náà ni ibi tí wọ́n kọ subscribe sí yẹn tó o bá tí ì tẹ̀rí ìwọ bá mi tẹ̀ èní nìyẹn lẹ́ẹ̀kejì ni pé wo ibi tí wọ́n fi bí aago sáyìn bí aago sí tẹ́ ẹ̀ tó bá ti tẹ̀ wọ́n wà notify ẹ, ìyẹn ni notification bell, wọ́n á wá sọ fún ẹ pé Gbàgede Mọ́ ó tún ti jáde o sórí YouTube yìí o. Tó bá ti tẹ notification bell yẹn, ọ̀fẹ́ ni, kò ná yín kọ́bọ̀, wọ́n gbowó lọ́wọ́ yín. Tó ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé ọkọ̀ tòní sí ojú agbami, ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ ètò tèní kí etí ilé àti etí oko ká lè jọ gbọ́n tá a tún mú wá lónìí. Ẹ fìdílé nǹkan tàbí kẹ́ ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé ká jọ jẹ̀gbádùn ti ètò tòní torí pé àrà ọ̀tọ̀ ni. Orí olóyè Fẹ́mi Fani-Káyọ̀dé, orí olóyè Fẹ́mi Fálànà, orí wọn lámà ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ètò tòní. Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé mo sọ̀rọ̀ kan lẹ́ẹ̀kan, mo ní ayé ìgbà tí ọmọ Yorùbá fọwọ́ lẹ́rán tó jókòó tẹ̀tẹ̀rẹ̀ aré ìgbà yẹn ti lọ. Ayé tá a wà yìí, ayé kí ọmọdé gbóhùn sókè, kágbà gbóhùn sókè, kọkùnrin gbóhùn sókè, kóbìnrin gbóhùn sókè. Ayé tó ní kálukú ó gbèrè ẹ̀tọ́ ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ìjọba amúnisìn, ayé náà la wà yìí. Olóyè ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n agbẹjọ́rò Fẹ́mi Fálànà wọ́n sọ fún president wa, the president retired General Muhammadu Buhari ní Abuja wípé ẹ má dá wa padà sẹ́yìn o, ẹ má dá wa padà sí 1984. Irú tẹ́ ń ṣe fún Nnamdi Kanu àti Sunday Igboho yìí, ṣé ẹ rántí pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fún Umaru Dikko ní 1984? Wọ́n wá sọ pé ẹ má dá wa padà o, mò ń padà bọ̀, ẹ jẹ́ kí n kà fún wa ká gbọ́. Falana rises alarm, don't allow Buhari takes us back to 1984. Human rights activist Femi Falana, SAN, has urged Nigerians to not to allow President Muhammadu Buhari take the country back to the 1984 era, saying that any attempt to do that should be resisted by Nigerians. Falana, who stated this at the 13th Wole Soyinka Media Center lecture series to commemorate the 87th birthday of the Nobel laureate Professor Oluwole Soyinka, saying the treatment given to Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho similar to what happened in 1984 when a Nigerian politician, Alhaji Umaru Dikko, was kidnapped. He said, we should not allow the Buhari government to take us back to 1984 when an attempt was made to kidnap Umaru Dikko in London. He had been kidnapped and on the way to the airport when the neighbor saw them and raised the alarm, offer inhuman treatment. After the inhuman treatment, he was subjected to. In the case of Kanu, the Kenya government cannot admit that in their soil, a Nigerian was taken out of the country without going through the law process. It's likely they drugged him and brought him back to Nigeria. That is against the Anti-Torture Act and Nigerian Constitution. Therefore, those who said they brought Kanu back through some international collaborations are not saying the truth. The Interpol cannot deport without due process. It is said that Buhari forgot quickly in 2003 that Obasanjo administration disbanded a rally in Kano, which was attended by Buhari. We went to court and won the case. The court declared that police permit for rally was illegal and unconstitutional. Free people do not need permit to enjoy their freedom. Based on that, we mobilized the National Assembly and they made a law in 2015 that if you are going to have rally in Nigeria, all you need to do is to inform the police to provide adequate security. The people in Abuja need to understand that we are not a conquered people. So, they should learn to treat us with dignity. We are not surprised that the bill to criminalize protest has been withdrawn because it is not possible in a democracy speaking in a democracy. Speaking of the theme, remarking Nigeria towards a secure and viable union, Falana called on media practitioners to self-regulate. He said, the media pundits like the Guild of Editors and the NUJ need to meet urgently and bring out some new code of conduct, because we have a situation whereby 1 or 2 people can set up online media and dish out stories, some with intentions of blackmailing. They need to be carried. So gbogbo yẹn I will need there. In tó kàn wá ó ní àtìkà yìí. Olóyè Fẹ́mi Fálànà wọ́n ní tó ìlọ́dáyà hàyàn lóru bíi ti ilé Sunday Igboho, ìlọ́ fi ipá gbé Nnamdi Kanu láti Kenya. Wọ́n ní méjèèjì ìwà aburú ni o, lélẹ́yìí tó jẹ́ pé ìjọba Buhari ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ rí ní 1984 pé kí wọ́n má tún dá wa padà sí 1984 tó. Mo ti sọ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ pé gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá ló máa gbé ohùn sókè, gbogbo anọ́dẹ̀ láti gbé sókè báyìí. Àdúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run. Yorùbá bọ̀ o, wọ́n ní àràmì ìrírí mo rórí ológbò látẹ̀. Ẹjọ́ ẹ bá mi sọ fún gbogbo àwọn southern governors kí wọ́n wá fetí wọn gbọ́ o. Àti wọ́n tó ṣe ń sọ pé wọ́n Nàìjíríà máa bọ̀ wá gbọ́ ìròyìn tí mo fẹ́ fún ẹ yìí. Jẹ́jẹ́ mọ̀ pé tẹ́lẹ̀ àwọn àrèwà àwọn north wọ́n fi pamọ́ fún wa tẹ́lẹ̀ pé n tó wà lórí ẹ̀mí wọn àmọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n nísìn they have come out of their shell to tell us what is on their mind. Ìdí rèé tí wọ́n fi ń lé Ìgbòho kiri tán fi fẹ́ pa, tí wọ́n ṣe ń lé Nnamdi Kanu páwọn máa gbé, tó rántí mọ̀ páwọn méjì yìí wọn ò ní jọ jẹ́ kí àwọn achieve aim àwọn, kí wá ní tó wà lórí ẹ̀mí wọn. Wọ́n ní lágbára Ọlọ́run o wípé gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ̀ ń dára yín láàmú ní north ní south, wọ́n lè ń dára yín láàmú ni o. Wọ́n ló tún sì kó dídí ọdún 4 gbáko fáwọn láti lò lẹ́yìn tí Buhari bá kó lórí oyè. Ìwọ tó sọ pé wọ́n Nàìjíríà ṣé o ti rí? Mo máa kà á kó má bàa dàbí ìpérọ́. Mo ń bọ̀. 2023 presidency. Southern governor can't intimidate us. Not as 4 years after Buhari, Arewa youths. After President Muhammadu Buhari's presidency, the Arewa Youth Consultative Forum, AYCF, claimed on Thursday that the Northern still have 4 years to govern Nigeria. Yerima Chetima, the AYCF national president, made the statement while criticizing Southern governors' request for a rotating presidency in 2023. Chetima claimed in an exclusive interview with our correspondent Gbagedemo that previous President Olusegun Obasanjo and Goodluck Jonathan governed Nigeria for 14 years. Àti gbàgbọ́ nílùú yìí. Ẹ ṣọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe gbọ́ ṣá. Mo bọ̀.
Will present a candidate that will balance our 4 years before we go into rotation. But we are not asking for, like you call it, third time. No, we are not asking for third time. Nobody asks for third time. We will never ask for third time. We are democratic. We believe in democracy and we are practicing democracy. That was why we said politics is a game of number. And we know we have the numbers. We are 120 million population from the north. Then the Fulanis have 40 million in population. And if you put that together, that will give you 160 million. And you can, out of the approximately 210 million as in being envisaged, the population of Nigeria. When you take 160 million out of 210 million, what is the balance? About 70 million. I cannot see how 160 million, I can't see how 70 million will beat 160 million. So we are ready for it. We believe in democracy. We are democratic in nature. We know politics is a game of number. We know politics, leadership is by ballot box. Leadership is by PVC. Leadership is by election. And that was why we are are calling our people to come out en masse and get their PVCs. The 120 million Northerners should get their PVC. The 40 million Fulanis should get their PVC. Put together 160 million. We will elect another president by 29th of May. By February next 2023, we should be going into election to elect a fresh northern president that will balance the remaining 4 years that North has.
The Northern Consensus Movement has called on all 120 million Northerners and 40 million Fulanis that are eligible voters to ensure they mobilize towards 2023 general election and jettison undemocratic leadership rotations in Nigeria. The group Northern Consensus Movement therefore stated that there is no amount of grandstanding propelled by the threat and intimidations either from the southern governors and some socio-cultural organizations that can change the remaining outstanding balance of 4 years presidency tenure for the North.
Southern Nigeria took the mantle of leadership for 14 years. By the time President Muhammadu Buhari will be finishing his 8 years, two-term of 8 years, North would have served for 10 years, Southern Nigeria would have served for 14 years. If we are talking of equity, fairness, balance, and togetherness, then Northern Nigeria still have 4 more years to go before it will now be equal of 14 years. But nobody can twist us from the North or intimidate us or harass us or coerce us to think that by grandstanding or intimidation we will abandon our 4 years just because some people are threatening the peaceful coexistence of Nigeria. Northern Nigeria has a population of over 120 million people. And by this press conference, we are asking all the 120 million eligible voters from the North to come out en masse and get their PVC, and also begin an aggressive but peaceful mobilization of our people to get ready for 2023 general election. We are also using the medium to call on to our 40 million Fulani brothers that are Nigerians to also reach out to every Fulani man that is eligible to get his PVC so that he will be the part of deciding who becomes the next Nigeria's president in 2023 as Nigerians that have equal right with any other Nigerian. And like we all know, in the United States of America, the Britain and other parts of the world, most especially in America, election of who becomes the president is determined by number. In most cases, most of the presidents of America are from North America because that is where the vote comes from. But in Nigeria today, we have forgotten credibility, we have forgotten about patriotism, we have forgotten about nationalism, we have forgotten about love for each other. All we are talking about is tribe, religion, or region in terms of leadership. We are not looking at qualification. And by that, we are being intimidated that because the present leadership of Nigeria is being led by a northerner, we are being threatened that the power must shift to the other part of Nigeria. And we are saying that we still have a balance of 4 years, even after President Muhammadu Buhari left in 2023. By May 2023, we still have a balance of 4 years. And we cannot be intimidated. We cannot be harassed. We cannot be coerced by either the governors of South-South or any socio-cultural organization into leaving our mandate or jettison our mandate because of harassment or intimidation. We are saying that we must complete the balance of 4 years to make it 14 years from 1999 till date. Southern part of Nigeria would have ruled for 14 years. The North will complete it 4 years to make it 14 years before the issue of rotational presidency will come. But for now, 2023, and who becomes the president of 2023 is still another responsibility because we still have a balance of 4 years. And even if the other part of Nigeria filled no, then every part or every political party should field in candidates. There are a lot of political parties in Nigeria. It's not only PDP or APC. that are political parties in Nigeria. There are other political parties. Let all political parties field in qualified candidates. Then let Nigerians decide who becomes the next president. Let the ballot box decide who becomes the next president. Let the votes count and let the vote decide who becomes the next Nigeria's president. This is our position. This is the standing of North. And we cannot even be coerced or intimidated, even by our own northern governors, cannot decide for us who become or which regime will take over the mantle of leadership. Nigerians will decide who becomes the next president. And as far as northern Nigeria is concerned, northerners will field in a candidate from whatever political party. We will field in candidate, and we will vote in a candidate that we feel has the patriotism, a candidate that will feel have nationalistic thinking, a candidate that we think is qualified, a candidate that we think will love northerners, will love southerners, will love every Nigerian, either at home or abroad. But we will, like we said, we will not be intimidated. We refuse to be intimidated. We will not allow anybody to twist us. We have our own people. We have our own vote. And politics is a game of number. So let the numbers play out. Let the numbers decide who becomes the next Nigeria's president. At this juncture, I would also invite the president of Arewa Traders Association to make one or two comments. He understands how to speak Fulani. I don't know how to speak Fulani language, but he understands how to speak Fulani language. So he will speak and call on the Fulanis to please come out and do their PVC. Get their PVC and get ready for 2023 general election. I am speaking for the North. This is Northern Nigeria, as you can see. Northern Consensus Movement is an amalgamation of 75 economically inclined northern organizations. And when we say 75 economically inclined, it suggests to you that this, as we are seated here, is the economic heart of Northern Nigeria. This is the commercial heart of Northern Nigeria. The organizations here are the ones running the buying and the sellings, the transportation, the movement, and everything that you know that is foodstuff, good and services that is of Northern to any other part of Nigeria. This is the structure that is responsible for that. Here, you just heard from the president of Arewa Traders Association. When you hear Arewa Traders Association, you know what trading it means. Trading means anything buying and selling. And then you have the Amalgamated Cattle Dealers of Nigeria. When you hear that, it means anything that has to do with cattle, from cow, goat, sheep to chicken, as far as it is something that is worth eating in the name of meat, it is amalgamated. You just heard from the Gan Allah Fulani Development Association. And who are the rearers? The cattle dealers are the ones that buy the cattle and transport them and sell. While the Fulanis, you know very well, are the ones that rear those cow, sheep, goat, chicken, and anything meat. And you just heard from them. And you also have the Arewa Journalist Forum here. They speak, they carry all the information that we are. So everything that is buying and selling, as far as Northern Nigeria is concerned, is here. You have the groups of comrades, apart from the economic bodies that are members of here. You have the educational body, you have environmental body, you have a women body, you have everything that constitutes. You have a woman here who's representing all the Northern women that are. So this is a Northern structure. We speak for North. We don't just speak for ourselves. We speak for North because we are Northerners and we believe in North. That is number one. Number two, I am third term. We never ask for any third term. We will never ask for any third term. The president of Nigeria has made his position clear that he is a democratic president and he believes in constitutional democracy. He is a man of rule of law, so he will not breach the rule of law. What we are saying is Northern Nigeria has balance of 4 more years. We are going to present, the North will present a candidate that will balance our 4 years before we go into rotation. But we are not asking for, like you call it, third time. No, we are not asking for third time. Nobody asks for third time. We will never ask for third time. We are democratic. We believe in democracy and we are practicing democracy. That was why we said politics is a game of number, and we know we have the numbers. We are 120 million population from the north. Then the Fulanis have 40 million in population, and if you put that together, that will give you 160 million. And you can, out of the approximately 210 million as in being envisaged the population of Nigeria, when you take 160 million out of 210 million, what is the balance? About 70 million. I cannot see how 160 million, I can't see how 70 million will beat 160 million. So we are ready for it. We believe in democracy. We are democratic in nature. We know politics is a game of number. We know politics, leadership is by ballot box. Leadership is by PVC. Leadership is by election. And that was why we are calling our people to come out en masse and get their PVCs. The 120 million northerners should get their PVC. The 40 million Fulanis should get their PVC. Put together 160 million. We will elect another president by 29th of May. By February next 2023, we should be going into election to elect a fresh northern president that will balance the remaining 4 years that North has, because the southern part of Nigeria has already ruled for 14 years. We have only 10 years. We have balance of 4 years. We are going to vote in who becomes the next president to balance our 4 years. Then after that 4 years, we can come back to negotiating table and begin to discuss rotation, and then that time we will agree from where the rotation will start from, either from the north or the south. Wherever it was agreed as at that time, no problem. But for now, we have a balance of 4 years, and we are going to work towards ensuring that we complete that 4 years to make it 14 years from each of the regions, southern part and the northern part. Then after that, we are good to go. But we did not ask for third term. We will not ask for third term. President Buhari is a democratic president. He's a man that believes in rule of law. He is following strictly the rule of law, and he has mentioned in himself, nobody should try anything third time for him. We will not even support him as northerners, even if he says he wants to go for third time. North will not support him. We are supporting him as a president now. We are with him. We will back him just like any other Nigerian will do for him. But at the expiration of his tenure, we are producing a fresh northern president that will complete our 4 years. After that, I repeat, we can go into negotiation and discuss rotation.
ṣe rí pé àfi kí Yorùbá máa àfi kí ifun south generally àfi ká máa sùn. ṣe gbọ́ kábàkàbà tọmọkùnrin sọ ó ń calculate populations àwọn. eléyìí ni kó jẹ́ ìwúrí fún gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá pátápátá. ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ṣe ń pariwo wọn Nàìjíríà ṣe gbọ́n tó ń sọ lẹ́nu. ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ń pariwo wọn nation ṣe ẹ ti rí ṣe ẹ ti gbọ́n tó wí. ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí. Bóyá a máa ráwọn tí wọ́n ń pariwo wọn Nàìjíríà, bóyá a máa rí wọn kí wọ́n wò ó. Káwọn náà rí pé Yorùbá ló sọ wọn Nàìjíríà. Kò sí ìtókun àwọn. Báwọn ṣe máa retain power ló kàn wọ́n. Nàìjíríà bá dàrú, ìbá má dàrú kò kàn wọ́n rárá. Ó yà mí lẹ́nu in tọmọkùnrin sọ. Now Mr. President ò lọ gbé o, kò ní kán lọ, kò ní kí DSS lọ ká mọ́ torí n tó sọ yẹn tó lè dàlúrú ni. President ò sọ pé kí wọ́n lọ ká mọ́. Ẹni ẹlẹ́ni tí ò sọ làjì lọ ní kán lọ wá kiri. Ẹni ẹlẹ́ni tí ò gbébọn ló ní kán lọ wá kiri. Ẹni ẹlẹ́ni tí ò ṣe wàhálà kan lọ ní kán lọ wá kiri. Bí a ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí, rally ń lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Ṣé mọ̀ pé lánàá a sọ pé fídíò tí mo fi síta lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ kó tó kan eléyìí, the latest video before eléyìí ni pé bí Sunday Igboho bàbá Bánjí Akíntóyè àtàwọn míì bí wọ́n ṣe lọ sue gọ́fìmẹ̀ntì Nàìjíríà sí International Criminal Court of Justice ICC, wọ́n ṣe lọ sue ẹ̀ síbẹ̀. Kéèsì yẹn ti wà ń bẹ̀, kódà àwọn ICC ti acknowledge ẹ̀. Ìyẹn la sọ lánàá. Lénìí sìn àwọn náà ti wá jáde, wọ́n ti wá bẹ̀ sí ní winchon ti wà pé ẹ̀ ń waste time ara yín. Àwọn tó jẹ́ báwọn ṣe wà 160 million làwọn. Ẹ̀yin south, both south west and south east, wọ́n ní gbogbo yóò ju 50 million lọ. wọ́n láwa ti wá o a kàn ń dára wa láàmú ni ká lọ wábi jókòó sí ní tó wọ́n sọ lénìí òun náà lẹ̀ ń gbọ́ díẹ̀díẹ̀ yẹn. So lánàá wọ́n gbé wọn lọ court. Lénìí àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá tí wọ́n wà ní UK wọ́n wà níwájú Boris Johnson's house lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ bí mo ṣe ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Tó bá jẹ́ pálẹ́ nìwọ́ wo fídíò yìí á jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti kú òun bẹ́ẹ̀. But ní Nàìjíríà ti wa àsìkò tí mo rìkọ́dù fídíò yìí ó jẹ́ 3:24 PM ní Nàìjíríà ti wa o. So àwọn tó wà ní UK bí around 3+ yẹn náà làwọn náà máa wà. Tó bá ti kú òun ṣe kú òní. Mo fẹ́ ká wo fídíò yẹn. Ṣé ẹ rí n tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí inú mi ń dùn torí wípé ó ti ń fi hàn wá wípé ṣé Yorùbá we are ready to say no to all this cheating. Ìpè tèmi ń pè látijọ́ yìí òun ló mo ṣe ń rí ìdáhùn ẹ̀ yìí nínú mi ṣe ń dùn yìí. Ó ní mo ṣe máa sọ fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ jẹ́ pírẹsẹ̀ntà wípé ọ̀rọ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí bí ta level ta òde yìí kì í ṣe level ìjà kì í ṣe level èpè. Mo tó sọ àwọn leaders wa kan wà tí wọn ò fojú hàn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n fi pamọ́ ni. Ó ní mo yẹ sọ fún wa lánàá wípé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wo fídíò tí mo ṣe jáde lánàá tí mo sọ pé Igboho and bàbá Banji Akin Professor Banji Akintoye àtàwọn míì wọ́n gbé gọ́fìmẹ̀ntì lọ sí ICC International Criminal Court nílùú òyìnbó. Mo sọ fún wa ń bẹ̀ wípé àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan wà tẹ́ẹ̀rò torúkọ wọn wà nínú lẹ́tà tí wọ́n kọ sí court tí wọ́n fi sue government. Àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan wà ń bẹ̀ tí mi ilẹ̀ ẹ̀fà ka orúkọ wọn síta tí ẹ̀rọ ni mo ṣe ń sọ fún gbogbo ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá jẹ́ pírẹsẹ̀ntà pé ṣe ráwọn bàbá yẹn àìsọ̀rọ̀ síta wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ sí sábẹ́ o àìsọ̀rọ̀ síta àwọn kan sọ̀rọ̀ sábẹ́ tí ẹ ò lérò rárá. So ẹni tójú ò bá kálé tí ò kákò kó má tó lọ fẹnu gbẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Lèmi ṣe ń sọ pé ẹjẹ́ àjèbù rẹ̀ lórí gbogbo àwọn àgbàlagbà. Ẹ má bú àgbàlagbà kan mọ́. Ẹ má sọ̀rọ̀ sẹ́nikẹ́ni. Àwọn bàbá yìí ń ṣe ń tẹ́yìn òrò lábẹ́lẹ̀. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ yìí ń sọ̀rọ̀ ni? Àwọn tí wọ́n ń ṣe níṣe ń kọ́. Àwa ń gbé news ni. Àwa ń jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn gbọ́ informations ní táwa fi ń jagun. Bẹ̀tẹ̀ àwọn bàbá yìí intellectual knowledge tí wọ́n ní làwọn ń lò. Intellectual capacities wọn tó dẹ̀ ní náà ni wọ́n ń lò láti fi fight ìjà yìí. And that is natural way tí ò bá ti yé gbogbo wa. Ẹ kọ́ ni pé bọ́sẹ̀ báyìí lọ́lọ́ máa ṣe ń ta fẹ́ fún wa ni. Lèmi ò ṣe support idea yẹn pé don't let us abuse anybody anymore. Torí pé wá lè jẹ́ tó front gan tí wọ́n ò mọ̀ lẹ́ni tó ń bú. Kò kàn ní sọ̀rọ̀ akọ́ máa wò. Ṣé fi àwọn àgbàlagbà yẹn lẹ̀ tí ń bá ka list yẹn fún yín lánàá kò yóò èmi ò gbọ́dọ̀ èmi àgbàlagbà ajá kì í ba àwọ̀ jẹ́ ọbẹ̀ kì í dẹ̀ mì ní kún àgbà òun ni mo fi ṣe lánàá. Ló ṣe jẹ́ pé ẹni méjì tí mo mọ̀ pé gbogbo ayé kú ti mọ̀ gbogbo ayé ti mọ̀ pé Sunday Igboho gbogbo ayé dẹ̀ ti mọ̀ pé Professor Banji mo ṣe dáhùn méjì yẹn mo dárúkọ lánàá. So táwọn yẹn tí lẹ́tà yẹn ti wà ń bẹ̀ tó dẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé at the same time lénìí again àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà tí wọ́n wà ní London àwọn tó wà káàkiri United Kingdom táwọn náà dẹ̀ tó dìde tí wọ́n tún parapọ̀ tí wọ́n lọ sí ilé president ẹ̀ náà lọ ká mọ́ ilé Prime Minister Boris Johnson náà lọ ká mọ́ wípé BJ n tó ṣẹlẹ̀ Nàìjíríà rí mo ń bọ̀ náà.
Yeah, good afternoon, sis.
Good afternoon.
Do you want this interview in English or in Yoruba?
Yorùbá ni o, ọmọ Yorùbá.
Okay, ẹ káàsán, sis. Kí lẹ wá ṣe níbí báyìí lẹ́nu? Akọ̀rí gbogbo ẹ sọ fún àwọn ará ilé tó ń wò. Heritage Television ni àwa.
Àwa láti wá fi ẹ̀hónú wa hàn. Wípé kí àwọn ìjọba Britain tí Boris Johnson ṣe Prime Minister wọn iwájú ilé Boris Johnson làwà yìí wípé kánjọ kan bá rí sí nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìlú wa torí nǹkan táwọn gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì dẹ̀ wá ń ṣe yìí bí ẹni pé wọ́n fẹ́ wipe race wa off ni so a wà níbí. So a wà níbí láti bá fi ẹ̀hónú wa hàn pé ení a fẹ́ kúrò lára Nàìjíríà. Èjì, gbogbo àwọn èèyàn wa tí wọ́n kó sí detention wọ́n kó lọ, wọ́n wá kó wọn lóru nílé ṣífù wa Sunday Adéyẹmọ, wọ́n wá kó wọn lóru, wọ́n náà fẹ́ wá arrest Sunday Adéyẹmọ, ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n wá pa àwọn èèyàn tó wà ń bẹ̀ ni, wọ́n dẹ̀ kó àwọn èèyàn lọ, wọn ò rí Sunday mú ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n pààyàn, wọ́n dẹ̀ kó àwọn èèyàn lọ, wọ́n tún wá jáde fọ́wọn lọ wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn, ọ̀wọ́n ń wá Sunday Adéyẹmọ, wọ́n tiẹ̀ tí wọ́n tẹ̀ láti pa àmọ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó ṣẹ̀, ìyẹn la fi hàn nù wa hàn kí gbogbo aráyé wọ́n lè mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ o, ọjọ́ o, wọ́n wá help wa lọ́wọ́ Nàìjíríà o, lọ́wọ́ ìjọba pàyànpàyàn ta ní Nàìjíríà o.
Wọ́n gbà wá o, ìyá tá à ń jẹ́ ti pọ̀ ju o, ìyá wa ti pọ̀ ju, wọ́n gbà wá ó pẹ́ tán tí àwọn pípọ̀ tán ti plan fún wa káàmọ̀ Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ àjẹ́ sọ́fìn àjẹ́.
Àwọn olọ́ plan yẹn mọ̀.
Àwọn
Fúlàní.
Àwọn Fúlàní ó pẹ́ tán ti plan fún wa. So wọ́n ti plan ní gbogbo kú yìí tipẹ́tipẹ́. Àwa náà àmọ̀ akọ̀sùn tẹ́tẹ́rẹ́ ni. Ó dàbí pé ó bá wa lábo. Wọ́n dẹ̀ pa àwọn èèyàn wa, wọ́n pa àwọn ìyá wa, wọ́n pa àwọn bàbá wa, àwọn ọmọ wa kéékèèké wọ́n pa wọ́n. Àwọn bíi 42 náà pa ní last week yìí, 42 people tó lé wọn ní tọ́rọ̀bù wọn pẹ̀lú white cloth tó lé wọn sí ilẹ̀ ilẹ̀ 42 lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà pa ẹjọ́ ẹ gbà wá. We get fed up now. We are getting wájẹ̀. Wọ́n lọ sínú igbó àwọn àlèṣoko.
Wọ́n pa àwọn àgbẹ̀ wa, wọ́n lé wọn kúrò lóko, wọ́n kó màálù jẹ. Àwọn ìyá wa, wọ́n á rèpù wọn, wọ́n á béèrè owó rásọ̀, ọ̀pọ̀ náà wọ́n á tún pa wọ́n yẹn.
Buhari dẹ̀ ní òun lòún rán wọn, ó kàn fẹ́ sí pé
wọ́n bá mú wọn lọ sí police station, wọ́n á fi wọ́n lẹ̀, wọ́n tó wá fẹjọ́ sùn lọ́ máa kó sínú ẹ̀.
Àwọn àmọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn ló wà nú ẹ̀wọ̀n sí. Àwọn tó kó nínú onílé bàbá wa Sunday Igboho wọ́n wà ní àjà ilẹ̀ ń sìn, wọ́n jọ kàn fi wọ́n lẹ̀, obìnrin wà láàrin wọn tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé obìnrin yẹn ó lóyún, inú oyún ló wà, wọ́n jẹ́ kó ṣèjì aṣọ ẹ̀, wọ́n jẹ́ kó ṣèjì aṣọ, wọ́n ní láàrin ọkùnrin ló máa rí ìròrò ní akọ́ṣọ ẹ̀.
Pé kó fọ aṣọ yẹn.
A ní kó fọ aṣọ yẹn.
Á dẹ̀ dúró táṣọ yẹn máa fi jẹ, tó tún wọ́n mọ̀ jẹ́ kó ṣe.
Ẹjọ́ màbá ilẹ̀ ń ṣe gbogbo eléyìí.
Ó wà àwọn
Sahara TV gbé jáde,
wọ́n
àwọn ìfọ́tà wọ́n gbé jáde.
Gbogbo iṣẹ́ tó ṣe ń pa wá, tó ṣe ń pa àwọn èèyàn wa, tó ṣe fún ọ̀há ìdẹ̀ wọ́n gbé sórí kíní, wọ́n wá sẹ́ẹ̀jẹ̀ sí wa. Wọ́n ní àwọn ló ní gbogbo Nàìjíríà. Wọ́n ní àwọn ló ní gbogbo Nàìjíríà, wọ́n ní Fúlàní ló ní.
Wọ́n fẹ́ pa wá tán.
Wọ́n fẹ́ pa wá. Torí pé ilẹ̀ wa ilẹ̀ ọlọ́ràá ni. So wọ́n mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀ wa nǹkan gidi ni. Tó jẹ́ pé àwa là ń bọ́ àwọn gbogbo Nigerians, àwa là ń bọ́ wọn. So wọ́n wá fẹ́ fi agídí, wọ́n fẹ́ fi gba ilẹ̀ wa lọ́wọ́ wa. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ gbà wá o, ẹ gbà wá o.
Gbogbo Fúlàní àgbáyé náà ti invite wa. Wọ́n lè ní ìkúùkù wọn, wọ́n hàmù wọn, wọ́n fún wọn ní wọ́n tún fún wọn ní àwọn bíi àdá, ọ̀bẹ. Torí ẹni tó bá yìnbọn pa tí ò bá bá wọ́n á gé orí ẹ̀, wọ́n á dúgbò ẹ̀ bí ẹran ni.
Wọ́n á gé wọn sí wẹ́wẹ́ ni, ẹni tó bá ti kú wọ́n máa ń gé sí wẹ́wẹ́ ni. Wọ́n gé sí wẹ́wẹ́ ni.
Eléyìí máa pọ̀. Ìjẹ́ kí ni ẹ fẹ́ sọ fún àwọn ará ilé? Ó yẹ ká pọ̀ jù báyìí lọ àbí kí lẹ fún un?
A ní kí gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá dìde. Wọ́n dìde. Mi ò ní kẹ́nìkan tó máa wá síbi lójoojúmọ́. Ẹni tó bá ti rọ̀ọ̀fù níbi iṣẹ́ kó máa bọ̀.
Níbo ni kó máa bọ̀?
Kó máa bọ̀ níwájú
Downing Street.
Boris Johnson number 10 Downing Street ní UK, nílùú oníkálùkù tó bá wà, ibi oníkálùkù tó bá wà, wọ́n máa lọ sílé olórí wọn, kó máa lọ dúró síwájú ilé yẹn.
Ẹni tó bá ń ṣiṣẹ́ ní ìrọ̀lẹ́ kó wá láàárọ̀, ẹni tó bá bẹ̀ ń ṣiṣẹ́ láàárọ̀ kó darí síbí ní ìrọ̀lẹ́. Wọ́n jẹ́ ká fọwọ́pọ̀ ká ṣẹ́gun àwọn pípù yìí, kọ́lọ́run bá wa ṣẹ́gun wọn o.
Ká má wà lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì máa sọ̀rọ̀ kí gbogbo àwa ọmọ Yorùbá ká dẹ̀ kó jọ gbogbo gúrùpù oríṣiríṣi tá à ń dá sílẹ̀ yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ ká wà ní under one umbrella. Kẹ́nu wá lè kò, àwọn ọmọ Biafra ẹnu wọn kò, kẹ́nu wá lè kò, ká lè mọ ibi tá à ń lọ, ká lè ja ìjà yìí lájàyè.
Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́. Kí ni orúkọ yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí?
Orúkọ mi ni Alájà Adéjọkẹ́.
Àti ẹ̀yin ńkọ́? Kí ni orúkọ yín?
Orúkọ mi ni Chief Mrs. Bọ́ládalé Òjó ọ̀tún ìyálájẹ́ of Àkúrẹ́.
ẹ ṣe so òun lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn yẹn ara lé nílé lóko ẹ jáde síta a má kàn jẹ́ ká máa comment I stand with Igboho if you know you stand with Igboho come outside now you need to come out come to Downing Street number 10 we are here every day.
Bàbá wa Igboho
wọ́n tẹ̀ àti ẹ̀gbọ́n kan ní criminal ní Igboho.
Pààyàn kò ṣe kọ́kọ́ nítorí pé wọn ò rí pa lọ́jọ́ yẹn ni káná rí pa níwọ̀n tiẹ̀ ní jáde wọ́n kàn ní ọ̀nà gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ ni òfin tó wọn ò rí pa yẹn ló ń ta lára.
wọ́n wọ́ àwọn òkú wọn lọ àrí òkú wọn àwọn tó pa.
gbogbo wọn tó pa tó ń dún fún wọn kó fún wọn lọ o bó ṣe kó fún wọn lọ nìyẹn o wọn náà wá ara wọn wọn tẹ̀dé wọn ọ̀dẹ̀ lè rí mú o ọlọ́run ò lè jẹ́ o wọn ò ní rí mú o. Lady K need to be free. She's a British o.
She's expecting. We understand now that because she hasn't got any extra clothes and anytime she wants to wash she will be naked to wash all her clothes in front of a male assistant. Yes.
Màmá wa báyìí lẹ ń ṣe mọ eléyìí báyìí lẹ ṣe gbọ́ gbogbo eléyìí.
wọ́n sọ fún wa ní lórí YouTube ni.
àwọn wo ló sọ yẹn.
ó wà lórí máa wo bí sì máa fún yín kẹwàá.
ok ká lè gbé síta kódà káwọn ayé bá wa dá sí.
àwọn ọkùnrin níwájú àwọn tó wọ àwọn wọ́ọ̀dù àwọn tó ń tó ṣọ́ wọn. aṣọ ìdọ̀tí wọ́n ní kó bọ́ aṣọ.
ìyẹn Lady K.
Lady K, yes.
wọ́n ní kó bọ́ aṣọ kó máa fọ níwájú àwọn níwájú ọkùnrin ó jẹ́ expect.
wọ́n bọ́ aṣọ níwájú wọn àfọ̀. adúrú adúráì.
kò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá bọ̀ ló ṣe mo ṣe o.
kí nǹkan tó ṣe ọ̀kadì tó yẹ.
kí ni social media ni
wọ́n fi sílẹ̀ o.
bí ti yín báyìí
Lady K sílẹ̀ o.
ọjọ́ kan bá wa fi sílẹ̀ o.
àti gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n kó yẹn
sílẹ̀ o.
pẹ̀lú òkú àwọn méjì tí wọ́n pa yẹn.
wọ́n release òkú àwọn olóòkú.
wọ́n release wọn tí release wọn o.
wọ́n ní family o.
wọ́n ní àwọn mẹ́jọ ni kì í ṣe àwọn méjì yẹn péré.
Igboho is not wanted o. Igboho ṣe nǹkan kan Sunday Igboho is not wanted. kò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kankan tó ṣe o. kò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kankan tó ṣe o kọ́ ya fi sílẹ̀ wéréwéré ni kọ́ fi yẹ o wọ́n dẹ̀ fi gbogbo àwọn tó kú àti àwọn tí wọ́n ṣe rally ní on the third lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kọjọ kọ́ fi gbogbo wọn sílẹ̀ pátápátá o àfẹ́ ìjà o àfẹ́ wàhálà o nǹkan ta torí ẹ̀ jáde nìyẹn o.
ẹ bèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn. no
nǹkan ta torí ẹ̀ jáde nìyẹn o.
Gani Adams ó ní àwọn mẹ́jọ náà tẹ̀yìn ní ilé Sunday Igboho wọn kì í ṣèyàn méjì
bẹ̀tẹ̀ àwọn méjì yẹn la gbọ́ sí.
méjì yẹn là ń gbọ́ nínú
wọ́n bá wa kó ṣàrírí sí gbogbo wọn wọ́n jọ torí ọ̀dá wọn. wọ́n sẹ̀ǹdẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tẹ́bá wọnú tẹ́bá tún kílíkì sínú íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹ̀gbẹ́ yẹn. nǹkan tá a lórí ẹ̀ wá nìyẹn.
ta ló kó lọ.
Igboho ńkọ́. Igboho kọ́ fi ṣe Igboho níṣẹ́ o. ṣé Igboho is not wanted o. Ìjọ Monday kọ́ ìjọ Saturday kọ́. Chief Igboho is not a criminal. Chief Sunday Igboho is not a criminal. He's not a criminal and he's not wanted. He's a free man. He has committed no offense so far. He has done nothing wrong to anybody. They should denounce that word of wanted. They should denounce it. They should denounce that word wanted.
Yes.
Ó ṣe fi Igboho kan denounce ẹ̀ wéréwéré ni because kò sí offence kankan tó ṣe. Àwọn gangan ni wọ́n tún commit offence by intruding into his premises. Pé wọ́n intrude lọ sí premises rẹ̀. Àwọn ni bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn ni wọ́n lọ intrude sí premises rẹ̀. Kò ṣe nǹkan kan. Igboho ṣe nǹkan kan kò ṣe bí péyàn kankan kọjọ ó ń jà fún wa ó ń jà fún gbogbo wa ká kúrò lóko ẹrú oko ẹrú láti 1999 1914 that is the one they joined us together then another tí wọ́n ṣe ní 1999 that is the constitution. Ó dẹ̀ ti expire. Sí under bandage anymore. Àti free and we are free láti béèrè fún ẹ̀tọ́ wa. Gbogbo everybody ló ń béèrè fún ẹ̀tọ́ bá nígbà tí tó jọ wọn tó so wá pọ̀ tó ti kú o. Aláṣẹ ìpákọ́ ni wọ́n fi ń ṣe ìyàwó. A ti ṣe ìyàwó yẹn ò dẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́. Kò sẹ́ni tó ṣiṣẹ́ fún. Wọ́n ń pa wá like bí ìgbà tó ń pa ẹran ni. Bí ẹran náà ń pa wá. Ẹ wo gbogbo àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké. Wọ́n àjọ́jì àwọn ọmọ school 120 ní Kánò. Just on Monday ni wọ́n ṣe yẹn. Àwọn ọmọ yẹn dẹ̀ ṣì wà ń bẹ̀. Wọn ò tí ì fi wọ́n sílẹ̀. Irú ìjọba wo nìyẹn? N tá n fẹ́ ni pé aṣáà máa àfẹ́ Nàìjíríà mọ̀. Àwa fẹ́ jáde àsì Yorùbá Oòduà. Oníkálukú dá dúró nígbà tá a wà ní region náà ń jọ sí. Oníkálukú manage region ẹ̀. Enough is enough. Kó fi Ìgbòho sílẹ̀. Kó denounce pé wọ́n want ẹ̀yẹn is not a wanted man. Kò ṣẹ̀wọ̀n kò sí nǹkan kan tó ṣe fún wọn. Gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n dẹ̀ lọ kó tí wọ́n arrest nínú ilé kó release wọn. 2 bodies tí wọ́n pa kó release dead body yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa rántí sọ yẹn fún wọn. Contrary it's not their property. Wọ́n ti pa wọ́n kó dẹ̀ release dead body. Àwọn tí wọ́n dẹ̀ lọ ṣe rally ní Èkó ní on the 3rd kó release gbogbo wọn. N ta fẹ́ kó ṣe nìyẹn. Àwọn ìjọba tí wọ́n dẹ̀ so wá pọ̀ àwọn eléyìí British ni kì í ṣe Germany kì í ṣe anywhere àwọn náà so wá pọ̀ kí wọ́n come in kán wá divide Nàìjíríà kán wá break Nàìjíríà láti save life kán break ẹ̀dẹ̀ láti save life wọ́n dissolve láti save life kán bá dissolve ẹ̀ ṣe bí nígbà tí wọ́n bá ti dissolve ẹ̀ life á save wọn ni wọ́n máa pààyàn oníkálukú á máa lọ́nlọ́ ẹ̀ nǹkan tá a fẹ́ nìyẹn.
Òun lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn iléeṣẹ́ Heritage Television ni a wà ní Downing Street ni a wà live in Downing Street. If you live in London, can you please come out? We are here every day. We have another our daddy. Yeah, we have our daddy Pa Alex Ajala in the house today. So I don't know why you guys didn't come out. Please come out. Daddy, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
This is Heritage TV. Why are you here today, sir? And where are we?
To meet with my people and when you meet.
Regarding to what, sir? Yes, sir.
Ẹ ti pẹ́ tí mo sọ.
Yes, sir.
Mo ṣe bò. Ìlú wa gbọ́dọ̀ jáde kájẹ ní òmìnira tiwa bó ṣe yẹ. We need the dissolution of the amalgamation so that our people will be free to decide the way they want to govern themselves and to kickstart our civilization, which has been suspended since 1914. And what I'm calling for is the dissolution of the amalgam. As it is. May the gracious Lord let our people, first of all, to understand this back home. Because the moment you say you don't want an Oòduà nation, you are condemning yourself. You are condemning yourself into slavery. So this is the time for us to wake up. I will not say more than that. And the key thing is that we want the dissolution of the amalgam. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. We're still live at Downing Street. Can we talk to you, sir? Good afternoon. What's your name, sir? Kí lẹ wá ṣe ní ìbàlẹ̀ yìí? And why are you here today?
Àwa fún ìlú láti sọ fún àwọn ìjọba Gẹ̀ẹ́sì wípé ó tó jẹ́ ilé tó lọ. Èyí tí àwa Yorùbá ṣe pẹ̀lú àwọn ẹlẹ́yàmẹ̀yà tí èdè wa ò papọ̀, tí ìṣe wa ò papọ̀, tí gbàgede ìmọ̀ gbogbo wa kò dọ́gba rárá. Ìyẹn ni mo ṣe débí láti pé káwa jẹ́ kí ìjọba Gẹ̀ẹ́sì kọ́ lè mọ̀. So gbogbo ẹ̀ náà lórí arákùnrin wa tó tẹ̀síwájú láti bèrè fún ẹ̀tọ́ wa. Arákùnrin wa, ẹ̀gbọ́n wa, àbúrò wa, Sunday Adéyẹmọ Ìgbòho. Eléyìí tí àwọn ọlọ́pàá Nàìjíríà tí wọ́n lọ ba ilé ẹ̀jẹ̀ tí wọ́n pa àwọn èèyàn sí lọ́rùn ńbẹ̀ pé kí wọ́n jọ àwọn òkú tó ń pa sílẹ̀ tó ń dẹ̀ gbé lọ kọ́ bá wa dá àwọn òkú padà fún àwọn ẹbí wọn. a dẹ̀ tún rọ̀ wọ́n gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n kó ṣe Sunday Igboho náà kì í ṣe criminal. Sunday Igboho tó wà nílẹ̀ òkú ṣe criminal kì í ṣe terrorist. so àmọ́ ìdí pàtàkì tí wọ́n fi lọ wọlé ẹ̀ lọ́gànjọ́ òru wọ́n fi fẹ́ pa gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó wà ńbẹ̀ abẹ̀wọ́n o àwa ò bá Fúlàní ṣe mọ́ ó tó gẹ́ ilé tó lọ eléyìí tí wọ́n pa wá lọ́mọ tó eléyìí tí wọ́n bá àwọn ìyàwó wa sùn tó eléyìí tí wọ́n jẹ́ káwọn àgbẹ̀ wa lè lọ sí oko láti lọ gbé nǹkan ọ̀gbìn wọn ó ti tó gẹ́ òun la ṣe wá bá olórí orílẹ̀-èdè British ní báyìí pé kí wọ́n jọ Boris Johnson pé kí wọ́n jọ kí wọ́n gbà wá kí wọ́n bá wa wo orí fáìlì tébù wọn àwọn ìwé tí wọ́n kó pamọ́ ní foreign office tí wọ́n kó sílẹ̀ láti ọdún yìí wá wọ́n bá wa fi palẹ̀ kí wọ́n wo ibi tí ó kù sí wípé àwa ti gbénu láti dá dúró a fẹ́ Yorùbá nation kò sí ohun méjì tá a fẹ́ ní báyìí ju Yorùbá nation lọ nítorí pé kò síbi kankan tí a fi jọra wa pẹ̀lú àwọn Fúlàní àbábì kankan tán pẹ̀lú àwọn Haúsá bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn Ìgbò pẹ̀lú àwọn ẹlẹ́yà míì àjọra wa rárá so a bẹ̀ wọ́n a rọ̀ wọ́n wọ́n gbà wá kúrò lóko ẹrú èyí tá a ṣe ẹrú ti tó ọdún yẹn ti pọ̀ ó tiẹ̀ ti pọ̀ jù pàápàá so a fẹ́ dá dúró Yorùbá nation now òun la fẹ́ o kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
ẹ ṣeun.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, guys. So we will meet again same time 1 o'clock tomorrow. If you live in London, please try and come out. Even if it's 1 hour, come out. We're at Downing Street number 10 in front of the Boris Johnson house. So guys, see you tomorrow. Yoruba Nation
now.
Yoruba Nation
now.
Yoruba Nation nah. No going back, oh. And we stand with Sunday Igboho.
Oh, yes.
So thank you guys. It's our man, oh, the hero of our time. Thank you.
How organized they are. Kò anybody tó ta sí wọn, kò sọ ọlọ́pàá kan tó harass wọn kó jẹ́ Nàìjíríà ní yépa. Bọ́n ṣe ń fomi gbóná sí wọn lára náà ẹ máa yìnbọn tí wọ́n á dẹ̀ tún máa parọ́ páwọn òyìnbọn tí wọ́n bá dà láwọn yìnbọn wọ́n á ní kì í ṣe live bullet tí wọ́n bá láwọn yìnbọn wọ́n á ní kì í ṣe live bullet. This is the kind of life tá à ń witness ní Nàìjíríà. A gbọ́ nínú inter-àkàlẹ̀ kan tí Fẹ́mi Fálànà sọ wípé there is a bill tó sọ pé ẹ̀tọ́ ọmọnìyàn ni láti ṣe protest. Orí president wa náà dẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti lọ torí ẹ̀ gbà o. Nígbà táwọn náà ń ṣe rally láyé Ọbásanjọ́ Fẹ́mi Fálànà kan ṣo ìlódìdé ló wá gbèjà wọn ó wá dàsìkò tí àwọn èèyàn ṣe rally ẹni kan máa gbé gbogbo wọn mo ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n gbé ní Lagos rally kóòtù sì deny wọn ẹ kúkú gbọ́ nínú fídíò tí mo ṣe lọ tó kọ́rẹ́ǹtì tó ń ràn lọ́wọ́ kí n tó gbélé jáde ẹ̀yin náà kúkú gbọ́ ń bẹ̀ wípé gbogbo wọn pápátá kóòtù deny wọn ní bail wọ́n ní wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ bail wọn kí dẹ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe rally wọ́n wá lọ kó gbogbo ohun tó lè incriminate ẹ̀dá wá láyé wọ́n láwọn bá lọ́wọ́ wọn Ọlọ́run á kúkú yọ wá ń bẹ̀ gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Lára àyà tí wọ́n fi jẹ wá nílẹ̀ Yorùbá the same Lagos State tẹ́ ń wò yẹn ṣebí nípa àwọn community kan wà bẹ̀ tí wọn ò rí náà rí láti over 40-50 years tí wọ́n ti débẹ̀ ní Lagos State. Mo mọ̀ fẹ́ gbé fídíò yìí bóyá Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kí àwọn authority Lagos State kí wọ́n rí community kí wọ́n lè ṣàánú wọn. Ìkànnù wọn ló fídíò ìránṣẹ́ sí mi ó ní community òun gangan ni ọ̀nà ọmọ táwọn bí sí community yẹn wọ́n ti ń bímọ wọ́n ti ń wọlé ọkọ yet wọn ò tọ́nà rí wọn láwọn ò tọ́nà rí ní community ní Lagos State nílùú Nàìjíríà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Mo ń padà bọ̀ náà.
tọ́ máa rí iná rí a máa ti bí àwọn nígbà tó máa ti lọ lọ́kọ́ tọ́ máa rí iná rí ó ju kí àwọn ètò àǹjọba kan fẹ̀wọ́ bojú lọ ó ṣe wá ní kàyéfì wípé ibìkan tiẹ̀ wà ní ìlú Èkó yìí tí ò níná.
up to now kò tẹ́ dijọ́ kan ṣẹ́jú kò fi ọjọ́ kan ṣẹ́jú ẹ rí jẹnẹrétọ̀ mẹ́ta mú ń lò ìkan ni mo gbé sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kan bí àwọn kan mo ti kó wọn lọ sí ibi tí wọ́n ti ń repair wọ́n sọ fún mi lánàá pé ìkan ò tẹ̀ kò ṣe repair mọ́ oríṣiríṣi sickness wa kí ni ìyá affect wa to the sense pé to the extent pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tó ń lo náà fi ṣiṣẹ́ wọn rí business mọ́ business gbogbo wọn ti collapse.
tí heat yẹn bá pọ̀ fún ó máa ń ké débi pé heat rashes ó ti pọ̀ ní gbogbo ara ẹ̀ I try láti máa fẹ́ látẹ́gùn which is not kò wà okay fún tó bí kó rí fan kó máa fẹ́ sí i tó bá jẹ́ pé iná wà ní gbogbo àwọn nǹkan yẹn ó lè má rí bẹ́ẹ̀.
ní agbègbè orígànrìgàn ńlá ní Ìbẹ̀jú Lẹ́kì local government òun la wà yìí àwa ò mọ̀ nípa àwọn wáyà àti òpó tí wọ́n ń rì ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n nígbà tí wọ́n ṣe iná yẹn láti tìyé tí wọ́n ṣe dé abúrèjì ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn ló sọ pé àwọn materials tí àwọn contractor yẹn lò fún iná yẹn kò múnádóko kò ní lè ṣiṣẹ́ déédéé so láti ìgbà yẹn àwọn ìjọba wa dà ń wò pé wọ́n mọ̀ pé materials yẹn kò dáa wọn ò dà repair ẹ̀ fún wa àdàrí iná yẹn lò.
kókan tí ẹ bá ṣe iná yẹn kan tó ṣe iléyá kò sí iná kò sí anything ìtìdẹ́pọ̀ dẹ́yìn afẹ́ tí wọ́n afẹ́ tí àwọn ọmọ wa náà ṣọ́ọ̀bù mi lélẹ̀ mo ti pa láti ìgbà tó ti sọ́jà mo tajà ọlọ́màjà mo shortage mo ṣe gbẹgbà tí mo ti gbèsè pọ̀ ni mo fi ti pa tí ó sọ́jà tí ó sí anything ni mo fi ti pa ìnira yìí pọ̀ jù yìí ti pọ̀ a lè sùn a lè ṣe anything jẹ́ẹ̀lì tá ń tàn náà ti wà á tán jẹ́ẹ̀lì tán tó gbẹ bàjẹ́ ọlọ́sì bíi jẹ́ẹ̀lì bíi 4 là ń tàn bí báyìí tí ó gbẹ ní 40.
àlè Dangote náà lè ṣe náà fún wa ó ń jẹnẹrétì náà fún companies níbẹ̀ iná tó ń jẹnẹrétì lè tọ́nà fún ibà.
ó ṣe wá ní kàyéfì pé ibìkan tiẹ̀ wà ní ìlú Èkó yìí tí ò níná kò tó wá ń ṣe ibìkan lásán ó jẹ́ Ìbẹ̀jú Lẹ́kì free trade zone tí wọ́n ń gbé oríṣiríṣi iléeṣẹ́ wá bíi àwọn refinery bíi ports bíi àwọn company tó wá láti China tó wá láti Europe tó wá láti America tó fẹ́ máa ṣe oríṣiríṣi àwọn nǹkan ìjọba náà ló jókòó tán gbèrú ẹ̀ o ipa àwọn fẹ́ ṣòro àwọn nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ pé táwọn bá ṣòro àwọn nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ó lè sọ ìlú Èkó di bíi Dubai àìmọye àwọn èèyàn ń gbé òkèrè tó ń sọ pé tó bá ti dé Èkó ó ti dé London tó bá ti dé Èkó ó ti dé America ṣé pẹ̀lú gbogbo orúbá àwọn yẹn ṣe wá ń wò wá yẹn ṣé kò wá tọ́ kí ìjọba Èkó kọ́ fọwọ́ bojú ipe ibi táwa ń ròyìn tá à ń fi yangàn ipe Dubai Nàìjíríà ni wọn ò máa ní nọ́mbẹ́ àwọn ìlú tó ló lé 40 àwọn ẹgbẹ̀rún ọmọ ènìyàn obìnrin ọmọdé ọkùnrin omidan wọn ò máa rí náà rí.
ọ̀rọ̀ olóṣèlú ọ̀rọ̀ wọn olóṣèlú Ọlọ́run ló lè gbà wá ọ̀rọ̀ wọn dàbí ìgbà tí a bá fẹ́ gbàwìn ẹ̀bà a máa ń lójú àánú ṣùgbọ́n ìgbà tá a bá fẹ́ san àwìn tí a gbà yẹn ẹ má tẹ̀ tí olóṣèlú èmi ò rí wọn mi ò tẹ̀ rí wọn mi ò rí gbogbo gbà là ń sọ gbogbo gbà náà là ń sọ a ti lọ sí council a ti lọ protest a ti lọ sí kínní àti kò sí ohun tí a ṣe tán on this matter kò sí.
ìjọba ti ṣe àwọn tó wà ní gba ètò iṣẹ́ náà ẹ̀dẹ̀mọ́ bí ọ̀rọ̀ náà ṣe rí kò ń sọ̀rọ̀ state government ọ̀rọ̀ federal government ni ò lè déédéé ṣe náà tiẹ̀ ń sìn kó ló fẹ́ so mọ́ ti federal government tó fẹ́ máa ṣe so àwọn kankan wà náà ta ní láti ṣe pẹ̀lú àwọn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ń pè ní distribution company àwọn náà ń ṣe náà tó bá jẹ́ pé ọ̀rọ̀ transformer ni ọ̀rọ̀ kọ́pá wáyà ni ìyẹn ò ju nǹkan tíjọba lè ṣe kíákíá láàrin ọ̀sẹ̀ kan sí méjì ṣùgbọ́n ojú bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ àwọn pípù yẹn lẹ̀ ní láti wò pé táwọn bá tẹ̀lé múná lọ́bẹ̀ yẹn ṣáwọn máa rówó àwọn gbà gbogbo wọn yẹn ni ìjọba ti bá wọn.
ṣé rí i pé mi parọ́ adẹ̀jọ́ ń gbáyé ni o pẹ̀lú àwọn ẹni àjọ wà láyé ìtàjọ́ ń gbáyé náà ni pẹ̀lú èyí làwọn northerners náà tún victimize wa náà tún threaten wa wípé àwọn tó ṣe fẹ́ lọ́dún 4 míì sí gbogbo analysis apànìyàn tí yẹn ń give Ọbásanjọ́ lọ́dún 8 Goodluck náà tó lọ́dún 5 bí 6 ló pè kún gbogbo ẹ̀ plus together ó jẹ́ 14 ọdún 6 Goodluck ọdún 6 Ọbásanjọ́ ọdún 8 gbogbo ẹ̀ jẹ́ 14 due to that àwọn náà máa lo 14 years. ẹjọ́ ẹ bá mi bí Arìndé tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn léèrè pé tí wọ́n bá ní kán máa ṣe sẹ́ńsọ̀ àwọn tí wọ́n rúlu Nàìjíríà kán wá tó ta yíàsì wọn papọ̀ kí wọ́n yọ kúrò nínú èjì Nàìjíríà fúnra ẹ̀ ẹ rí i pé ṣéǹjì ló kù o ti north ti south east or south west tó rúlu ṣéǹjì ló máa kù south east ò tiẹ̀ rúlu rí south east ò rúlu rí south lọ́dún mẹ́fà south west Ọbásanjọ́ lọ́dún mẹ́rin kan nígbà tó gbàjọba lọ́wọ́ kí náà pe orúkọ ẹ̀ Murtala nígbà tí wọ́n pààyàn tó jẹ́ pé Ọbásanjọ́ ni wọ́n install ó lọ́dún mẹ́rin bẹ́ẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ tó padà lọ́dún mẹ́jọ jẹ́ 12 years nínú gbogbo 58 years tí Nàìjíríà ló àti dá Nàìjíríà lẹ̀ àbí 1960 to 2020 that's 1960 to 1970 to 1980 to 1990 to 2022 látọdún tá a ti dálù Nàìjíríà lẹ̀ o 12 years ni Yorùbá fi rúlù rí 6 years ni South South fi rúlù rí South East ò tiẹ̀ rúlù rárá ẹ̀rọ 12 mọ́ 6 ẹ̀rọ 12 mọ́ 6 tòró ń claim 14 4 plus 8 èmi ò rí pé 14 ni o 4 plus 8 is 12 if 4 plus 8 is 12 tọ́básanjọ́ lò Goodluck lọ́dún mẹ́fà ó jẹ́ 16 years ó jẹ́ 18 years gbogbo ìtókù pátá northerners ló fi lò gbogbo ìtókù àwọn northerners náà lò látòrí Tafawa Balewa lórí Buhari tó wà ń bẹ̀ yìí Buhari náà fúnra rẹ̀ ti lọ́dún méjì tẹ́lẹ̀ ọdún kan dẹ̀ ló lò ní kó tó tún máa lọ ọdún mẹ́jọ tó ń lò lọ ìyẹn bọ́lọ́ ń bá ní ó lo mẹ́jọ ìpé ẹ̀rọ ọdún kan mọ́dún ọdún mẹ́jọ ó jẹ́ ọdún mẹ́sàn-án Buhari nìkan ṣo ẹyọ kan àṣọ ìtí Babangida lò tó lo 8 years àṣọ ìtí Gowon lò tó lo 9 years ẹ̀rọ ogbó ẹ̀pọ̀ tí ọ̀tí yẹn ń claim nọ́nsẹ́ǹsì tó bá lẹ́nu tó láwọn fẹ́ lo 14 years àwọn sì máa lọ ọdún mẹ́rin sí kán lò náà kárí ní agbára Ọlọ́run ẹlẹ́dàá Ọlọ́run á ti fi ń tàwà fẹ́ lé wa lọ́wọ́ káwọn lọ máa jẹ president Nàìjíríà wọn. So this is what we are facing. ẹ wo orú ibi tó ń ṣèjọba lé lórí ìlú kan wà tí ò tán náà rí ní Èkó yìí náà ni yet ẹ tiẹ̀ jẹ́ fi wọ̀ sí kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ hàn wá ṣé ẹ believe pé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń lo WhatsApp ẹ yá mi létí yín o gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń lo WhatsApp ẹ yá mi létí yín o ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń lo WhatsApp ẹ yá mi ní etí yín bẹ̀lẹ̀ jẹ́ kẹ́ wá fetí gbéyàwó ọ̀rọ̀ o gọ́fìmẹ̀ntì ti gba 4 billion naira tí wọ́n fẹ́ máa fi mọ́nítọ̀ calls ní o àbí mẹ́sẹ̀gì ní o lórí WhatsApp wọ́n máa arrest àwọn èèyàn sìn ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá call lórí WhatsApp tàbí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ mẹ́sẹ̀gì lórí WhatsApp kódà wọ́n ti gbowó ẹ̀ tó máa lò fún tó máa fi execute ẹ̀ wọ́n máa arrest àwọn tí mo ń bọ̀ ẹ̀ jẹ́ nǹkan fún wa ká gbọ́. Buhari to get 4 billion naira for monitoring of WhatsApp phone calls. Gbogbo tẹ́ bá sọ lórí WhatsApp kedere báyìí ni wọ́n máa rìkọ́ọ̀dù ẹ̀lẹ́ tó máa fi mọ́nítọ̀ ẹ̀. The Nigeria Senate has approved the allocation of the sum of 4.8 billion naira. The National Intelligence Agency NIA for the monitoring of WhatsApp messages, stroke calls, phone calls, text messages, among others. Gbogbo téèyàn bá fi fóònù ṣe náà fẹ́ máa monitor nísìn. This allocation was contained in the supplementary budget approved by the National Assembly last Wednesday, July 7, 2021. Premium Times reports that of the sum, 1.93 billion naira was earmarked for WhatsApp interception intercept solution and 2.93 billion naira for Turaya interception solution. Wednesday ló sì submit kìíní yìí last week Wednesday wọ́n ti approve ẹ̀ báyìí lẹ́ni. A communication system used for monitoring voice calls or call-related informations, SMS, data traffic and among others. Gbogbo àwọn nǹkan iná ti gadget tán fẹ́ rà lẹ́gbọ́ yẹn bóyá kí n tún kà kẹ́ tún gbọ́. Wọ́n ní our newspaper report that of that sum 1.93 billion naira was earmarked for WhatsApp interception solution. Nínú 4.9 billion yẹn wọ́n máa lo 1.93 billion nínú ẹ̀ láti máa fi gbogbo ohun tá a bá fi WhatsApp ṣe akọlù ní a text message wọ́n máa fi intercept ẹ̀ and 2.93 billion naira for Turaya interception solution. Ìtumọ̀ Turaya interception solution ni pé a communication system used for monitoring voice calls or call-related informations or SMS, data traffic and among others. Ẹni bá máa lo fóònù nísìn kó rò dáadáa o. Torí nísìn they are out there to just track everybody down. Tó fẹ́ ṣe sí nìyẹn. Wọ́n fẹ́ track everybody down. Lawmakers had approved and passed a supplementary budget of 982 billion naira for the 2021 fiscal year. Nigeria's lawmakers are also working on a raft of bills aimed at regulating the media. Some of these bills include the Nigerian Broadcasting Commission's NBC account and the Press Council account. President Buhari government also recently banned social media platform Twitter as it continues to canvass support for the regulations of the online and mainstream media space in Africa, most populous nation. Ṣé ti gbọ́ báyìí? So gbogbo calls tá bá make nsìn, gbogbo WhatsApp tá bá make, ìjọba tó wà lóde máa monitor ẹ̀. Ẹni tó bá ti wá miss yan wọn ní kan lọ gbé. Tó bá dẹ̀ gbé àlọ́lẹ̀ rí ẹni ó possible kẹ́ má ra bọ̀ tọ̀hún. Ṣé rí pa ìwọ one chance ní Nàìjíríà pátápátá bá ṣe rí pa gbàbó. Gbogbo báwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ ṣe ń sọ tó arákùnrin òkú kí ẹ máa ké ni ajá ń gbó náà ni. Ó ní tá ń fèsì nílùú yìí. Ṣèbọ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹlẹ́dàá ló ń ṣàánú ẹ̀dá. Ntẹ́mi kàn mọ̀ ni pé Yorùbá kan sọ pé tó bá níkùn kó o ṣèkà. Tó o bá rántí ikú Gáà kó o ṣòtítọ́. Pẹ́nìkan kú láyé ìtọ́lọ́hun ò lè mú kó sí. Pẹ́nìkan kú láyé tó rò pé òun ni alágbára lórí gbogbo alágbára kò sí Ọlọ́hun nìkan lálágbára lórí gbogbo alágbára. Tó free mọ̀ báyìí o láti make call. Free mọ̀ láti text message. Free mọ̀ láti ṣe WhatsApp. So tó ní kálukú bá máa ṣe ń sìn kó máa edit ẹ o. Kó máa edit ẹ o. Ìgbòho iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n fẹ́ rà ni wọ́n sọ yìí. Tọ́ bá dẹ̀ ti ra wọlé wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ nìyẹn. Gọ́fìmẹ̀ntì dẹ̀ fẹ́ tètè rà. Nítorí pé wọ́n fẹ́ gbogbo ọ̀nà tí information òfin ní máa jáde sílùú òyìnbó. Wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé ìtẹ̀ wà Nàìjíríà ilẹ̀ gbé informations. Wọ́n ò wá fẹ́ situation tí information ẹ̀ máa jáde kiri mọ́. Wọ́n fẹ́ mọ̀ kí wọ́n ti everybody pa pé kò sáyè. Ṣé rí pa àti gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ báyìí lù yìí kọ́ lọ́wọ́n ẹlẹ́dàá nìkan kó ṣàánú wa ni. Arábìnrin kan wà tó jẹ́ pé àwọn Fúlàní jí gbé. Arábìnrin sì jáde ó wá ṣàlàyé ntójú ẹ̀ rí bí wọ́n ṣe jí òun gbé. Ntójú ẹ̀ rí lọ́wọ́ àwọn ajínigbé àwọn ajínipa tí wọ́n jí arábìnrin gbé. Mo fẹ́ ká listen sí arábìnrin ká gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ bí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ ṣe jẹ́. Níbo ló ń lọ gan, níbo ló ti ń bọ̀, báwo ni wọ́n ṣe jí gbé. Ìròyìn ọ̀hún rèé. Every night I was there àti pé nǹkan tójú ẹ̀ náà tún rí níbi tí wọ́n gbé lọ ló fẹ́ ṣàlàyé yìí. Every night I was beaten and defied by 2 men till 3 million naira ransom was paid. Kidnap victims narrate ordeal. Lẹ́yìn tí wọ́n bá sùn tí wọ́n ná lójoojúmọ́ wọ́n tún padà gba 3 million naira ransom. A lady identified as Blessing Cindy has opened up on her traumatic experience with kidnappers stroke ritualists on the way from Enugu to Rivers State. She also disclosed that she was raped repeatedly by 2 men every night until the stated ransom was paid. She tweeted, "On 23rd June, I was traveling from Enugu to Rivers State. I entered a wrong bus at the park. The last thing I can remember very well was texting my sister that I was already on my way. After that, I had a something cold on my nose and I dozed off and woke up where there's only but one bungalow and 6 of us tied to a chair. Immediately I know I have been kidnapped. There was this guy sitting down with a gun, looking at us without saying a word, until one huge looking man came out of the bungalow and started telling us to pray first with a hot slap. After that, he then told us that we have been kidnapped and we should not be afraid, that as soon as our relatives cooperate with them, nothing's going to happen to us. He asked the first person his name and who to call. The guy's name was Philip. Philip said he doesn't have anyone to call, that he is just a normal businessman trying to make needs. They skipped him and said he wasn't ready to cooperate yet. Long story short, now reached my turn. It's only my sister I can call, which they did. And they told my sister if she likes, she should go and tell the police or army that there is nothing they can do. That was when I knew my own has finished. They told my sister that she'll pay 3 million naira or she won't see me again. My father is not too strong, so my sister had to keep everything away from my father. Fast forward to Philip and others. 2 people were killed right in front of me, Philip and one girl, because they couldn't meet up with their demand, and the other 3 people were released with 2 million naira cash each. The reasons why they didn't kill me was because my sister was picking up calls even after a week cooperating with them. My sister had to sell some things and borrow up and down to pay 2 million naira. And on top of that, right from 26th every night, I eat beating and get raped by 2 of them. When my sister paid the money, I was dropped off at the corner at 4 corners near Agbani at night. I am currently in an hospital receiving treatment, which I am so traumatized. I need help. I can't take Philip and that girl they killed off my head. They killed and cut them into pieces. Where they kept us, I can still recognize how the place looks like. Even when they wanted to drop me after my sister paid, they saw police on their way and police didn't look inside the car at all. They just freed them to move. Oh my goodness God. Oh my goodness God. They also took everything I had left on my account, which was about 268,000. They withdrew it all. Nigeria has failed me. I sleep and woke up with this traumatic experience and feel like committing suicide. I am scattered. This is one of the victims of this country. Ṣé bá ṣe máa bá lọ rí? Ó láwọn èèyàn fi sọ pé nígbà tí ọwọ́ yín ò dẹ̀ ràn mọ́ báyìí, ẹ jẹ́ káwọn máa lọ. Ẹ jẹ́ káwọn máa lọ, káwọn lọ máa ṣe ìlú tàwọn jẹ́jẹ́. Àwọn Fúlàní day in day out. Ó ní wọn kódà ẹ jẹ́ ẹ sọ kinní kan fún wa ní Borno State. Mo sọ fún wa ń jọ sí pé Boko Haram wípé wọ́n ti yọ gọ́fúnà tí wọ́n ní Borno State. Zulum lóhun mọ̀ nǹkan kan pa ẹ̀, bọ̀ mo ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ yìí gọ́fúnà ti Boko Haram ó ti swag into action because lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí wọ́n ti ń gba tax òun àtàwọn commissioners ẹ̀ ní Borno State wọ́n ti ń gba tax lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn, kódà wọ́n mount roadblock, wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe gbogbo tó yẹ kí gọ́fúnà ṣe ní Borno State. DSS ò lọ bá àwọn yẹn o, DSS ò rí àwọn yẹn o, gbogbo tútọ́ ń pa yẹn wọ́n ò sá lọ o, wọ́n ń gbénú ìlú ni o, bí tán ṣe gọ́fúnà lè lórí o. DSS ò lọ bẹ̀ kó lọ pa wọ́n pakúpa o, bí ìtàn lọ ṣe lè Ìgbòho. Ìgbòho tí ò dò, tí ò fà, tí ò tọ́ bọ̀, tí ò gbébọn, tí ò ṣe kankan, tí ò pa anybody. Ìgbòho yẹn náà ń win chọ́ǹtì kiri ilẹ̀ yìí tán láwọn fẹ́ gbé. Ojú gbogbo wa ti là sínsìn wípé genocide làwọn ẹni yìí ṣe fún wa. Ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni wọ́n mean, wọ́n fẹ́ destroy àwọn ẹni yìí ni. Gbogbo tí wọ́n ṣe yẹn wọ́n ṣe gbé ohun sí nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀. Nínú fídíò tí mo post lánàá, gbogbo wa la rí ìtú tí wọ́n fi ẹ̀yìn ọba ìlú Kaduna tí wọ́n gbé yẹn, gbogbo wa la rí. Then àwọn ẹni yẹn tún wá nawọ́ sí àpáta kan pé inú àpáta yìí làwọn tí wọ́n jiyàn gbégbé, DSS ò lè lọ́bẹ̀ lákò wọn. Gbogbo agbára tí wọ́n sà nílé Ìgbòho yẹn wọn ò lè lọ́bẹ̀ yẹn lọ sàrú agbára yẹn. Àfikọ́ ló ń ṣàánú wa nílùú yìí o, àfi k'Elédùmarè ọba ògo kó ṣàánú wa nílùú yìí. Nígbà tí Boko Haram tó gbàjọba débi wípé wọ́n lórí láyà wọn tún yọ gọ́fúnà. Wọ́n ní orí láyà wọ́n tún yan gọ́fúnà láàrin ara wọn. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa fi eléyìí ṣe lọ lẹ́nìí. Aliu Guazo said, ìkan nínú àwọn Fúlàní ló fi Yorùbá ṣẹlẹ́yà o. Ó láàpẹ̀ra wa nípa àkàwé bá àkánú. Ó láàpẹ̀ra wa a máa ń fọ́ǹbù pa àkàwé ṣùgbọ́n àkánú wa àká nǹkan kan rárá. Mò ń bọ̀. Aliu Guazo said, the problem with you Southerners is that you can never understand the North. We are a mastery to you, and you cannot comprehend us despite all your boasting that you are better than us. You claim to be educated, but in fact, you are uneducated and uncivilized. Lẹ́nu Fúlàní. What do you know about education, and what has it done for you? We Fulani toss a small bone to you from our table, and you betray and fight each other like dogs for it. You crawl before us and beg us for crumbs. That is your lot in life. You are nothing more than beggars, cowardly and contented slaves. Just like your fathers served us, so you shall serve us too. Just as you serve us, so your children shall serve us too. And just as your children shall serve us, so their children shall serve us too. We are born to rule. Leadership is in our blood. No one is in this country can stop or change it. No one can touch us. Allah has given us Nigeria. It is a gift to our forefathers from him. Our great grandfather Sheikh Usman Dan Fodio and the Mujahideen fought for it. Our grandfather, the Sardauna Sir Ahmadu Bello, expand our borders and frontiers. Our father, President Muhammadu Buhari, has come to complete the job and is doing very well. You see, the most effective chains are the invisible ones. We already have you in those chains, but you just don't know it. We took our power back in 2015. We will not release it to Satanas or unbelievers again, not in the next 100 years. It is true that we came from Futatoro and Futajalon many years ago and conquered the north, the Hausas and all northern minorities. Now, every inch of it belongs to us. Every Fulani, whether from Mali, Senegal, Guinea, Niger, Chad, Cameroon, or anywhere, is our brother and has right to be here with us. We are Fulani before Nigeria, and our allegiance is to our Fulani brothers all over West Africa, more than you. Now we will conquer South, and we will do it in the name of one Nigeria. In that one Nigeria, we shall remain the masters, and you shall remain the slaves. None of you are going anywhere. Nigeria will never break. We will not allow it. Aliyu Gwaso. Wọ́n ní Fẹ́mi Fani-Káyọ̀dé náà wá respond sí. Wọ́n ní Fẹ́mi Fani-Káyọ̀dé sọ pé the problem with you is that you have allowed your delusions and lust for power and control to get the better of you. You and those you speak for are truly lost. You threaten and boast as if you are God, forgetting that He alone has the final say. You are not the first Fulani to speak like this, and you will not be the last. A man called Azan Kotangura said similar things many years ago, and where is he today? The South is still standing, and despite all, we are not yet conquered. With apologies to William Shakespeare, Macbeth, permit me to say this. Yours is a sorry tale. Yours is a sorry tale told by an idiot, full of sand and fury, signifying nothing. I read your words, and I shook my head in utter disgust. Such insolence, such arrogance, such hate. If you are incapable of learning from history, are you also incapable of learning from the ancient scriptures and the holy books? Can Satan defeat God? Can injustice prevail against justice? Does the suffering and captivity of the righteous last forever? Can't the children of God be enslaved? Can the children of God be enslaved or subjugated in perpetuity? Can our God ever abandon us and hand us over to you? Can darkness overnight? Can darkness overcome light? Though we may weep through the night, does our joy not come in the morning? Is our God not faithful? And is the vision not for an appointed time? Your threats and boasts make me laugh. Is this not the way King Sennacherib of Assyria boasted before King Ezekiah and the children of Israel and the gates of Jerusalem? Do you believe that our God, the God of Ezekiel, is dead? Is this not the way that Goliath boasted before David in the field of battle? Do you think that our God, the God of David, is no longer alive? Is this not the way that Pharaoh boasted before Moses in the halls of his palace? Do you believe that our God, the God of Moses, has gone to sleep? Is this not the way that Jezebel boasted before Jehu from her balcony in Jezreel? Do you think that our God, the God of Jehu, no longer rules in the affairs of men? Hear this and hear it well. As long as Jesus sits on the throne, you will never conquer southern Nigeria. You can try, but you will continue to fail. And neither do you own the north. You only think you do. And as was the case with Icarus and the Greek, you indominate ambition. Your inordinate ambition, crass and inappropriate arrogance, and hubristic pride will lead to your nemesis. I make bold to say that hell will freeze over before we bend the nail and bow before you, and before you have your way. Death will be preferable to such an ignoble capitulation. You have the nerve to talk about education and civilization, yet the bitter truth is that you are an uneducated Almajirin whose ancestors were still mounting and riding camels and donkeys, whilst mine were at the best universities in the world. My great-grandfather was at Furo Bay College in Sierra Leone, which at that time was part of Durham University, where was yours. My grandfather was at Selwyn College, Cambridge University. Where was yours? My father was at Downing College, Cambridge University. Where was yours? My brothers were at Downing College, Cambridge University, and Georgetown University, respectively. Where was yours? I was at SOAS London University and at Pembroke College, Cambridge University. Where were you? I really do not know that education or civilization you are referring to because you have neither of the two. Your fathers, and your successors are still living in the Stone Age, riding camels, loving and worshipping cows, stealing other people's land in the name of cattle herding, butchering your fellow human beings, and slaughtering your compatriots. I ask you this: who is more educated and civilized between me and you, and between mine and yours? Do you even know the meaning of these words? The truth is that we are not one and we can never be one. The difference between us is like the difference between night and day. We love but you hate. We seek the light but you seek the darkness. We believe in life but you believe in death. We delight in peace but you delight in war. We crave for forgiveness, stability, security, and prosperity, but you lust for anarchy, chaos, bloodshed, destructions, terror, conquest, power, and the perpetual domination and subjugations of others. I ask you again, who is more educated and more civilized between you and I, and between your people and mine? Can there be any fellowship between light and darkness? Can there be love between sons of God and that of Belial? Can there be peace between the serpent and the lion? Can there be harmony between the captor and the captive? Can there be understanding between the oppressor and the oppressed? Is it any wonder that millions say that our country must either restructure or break? Is it not obvious that our claim of national unity is an illusion, and that it is bogus and false? Nigeria is not one, has never been one, and will never be one unless and until we firstly learn and accept the basic and fundamental principle that all men, regardless of race, religion, and circumstances of birth, are equal before God, and secondly, that we must restructure and devolve power from the center of the 6 regions and zones. Failure to do this will eventually result in the implosions and violent breakup of the country sometime in the not too distant future, lágbára Ọlọ́run. Why? Because no matter how hard you try, oil and water do not mix. Because slave masters do not remain slave masters forever, and because slaves do not remain slaves in perpetuity. It is true that the ancient boundaries cannot be broken, but that does not mean that they cannot be altered and reset. Fẹ́mi Fani Káyọ̀dé, good day. Ìyẹn náà dá lóhùn bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé ẹgbọ́n tó máa lé Fúlàní yẹn sọ? Ó lẹ́lẹ́ kàwé, ríran. Ẹrú ni àwọn bàbá yín ṣe kú. Ẹrú làwọn bàbá yín náà ṣe. Ẹrú lẹ́yìn náà ń ṣe. Ẹrú làwọn ọmọ yín máa ṣe. Lóhùn tiẹ̀. Inú mi dẹ̀ dùn. Fẹ́mi Fani Káyọ̀dé náà wọ́ọ̀dẹ̀ padà. That is what we are saying. This is what is on these people's mind. Inú mi dùn pé wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tàṣírí ara wọn díẹ̀ síta sí gbogbo àti ń gbọ́. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe ń pariwo wọn Nàìjíríà. Ìyí tí mo kà yìí báwo ló ṣe rí lẹ́mìí yín? Báwo ló ṣe rí ní ẹ̀mí yín ìyí tí mo kà jáde yìí? Ìta sọ nìyẹn pé àwọn tí wọ́n ń pariwo secessionists, they know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. Àwọn ẹni tó ń wà lórí ẹ̀mí wọn ni pé káwọn kó Yorùbá lẹ́rú. Ọlọ́run ò dẹ̀ ní fún wọn ṣe o. Ẹgbọ́n tẹ́ni yẹn post pé báwọn ṣe kó gbogbo nọ́ọ̀tì lẹ́rú tó jẹ́ pé ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn ni wọ́n ń ṣe. Báyìí náà làwọn ṣe máa kó gbogbo ẹ̀yìn south náà lẹ́rú torí pé wọ́n ti jogún ilẹ̀ Ifá wọn. Tó Ọlọ́run á ṣe dáadáa fún wa o. Oníyanṣe o, ọlọ́kà ṣe. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fìfẹ́ jẹ tèmi náà ẹ ṣé gan mo dúpẹ́. Ibí ni mo fẹ́ fi àdàgbà ètò tèmi rọ̀ sí. tí màá tún lọ mú ẹ̀dọ̀kì mi wá ní ìgbà míì tá a bá tún pàdé lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ní agbára Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè, èmi ní màá wá, ẹ̀yin náà lẹ́ máa bá, ẹ̀yin náà ní màá bá. Ojú tẹ́ fi ń wò mí ò ní fọ́, etí tẹ́ sì fi ń gbọ́ mi ò ní dì, ní agbára Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tún pàdé nígbà míì, torí ẹ̀ ni mo tún ṣe ń sọsẹ́. Ẹ wo ibi tí wọ́n kọ subscribe sí yẹn tẹ̀, ẹ dẹ̀ wo ibi tí wọ́n fi aago yẹn sí kẹ̀tẹ̀, torí gbà míì tí ń bá tún jáde lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ni wọ́n máa gbé notification wá fún yín pé Gbàgede Ìmọ̀ ti dé ta. Láyọ̀ o náà látún pàdé ní agbára Ọlọ́run ọba. Ó dàbọ̀, ẹ ṣé gan.